In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar to Google Calendar. Whether you're trying to organize your daily tasks, manage projects more efficiently, or simply keep track of important dates, adding a calendar can help you stay on top of your schedule. Let's dive into the process. To begin, you'll need to open Google Calendar on your desktop. If you've not already done so, navigate to Google Calendar through your preferred web browser and ensure you're logged into the correct Google account. Once you're in, cast your eyes to the left side of the screen where you'll see several options displayed. Locate the section labeled Other Calendars. This area is dedicated to managing additional calendars beyond your primary one, giving you the power to customize based on various aspects of your life. To add a new calendar, find and click on the little plus button right next to Other Calendars. This symbol will open a drop-down menu, offering different options. In this menu, go ahead and select Create New Calendar. It's a straightforward path to generating an entirely new calendar that can be used for specific purposes like tracking your exercise routine or planning events. Once you've selected this option, you'll be presented with a straightforward form to fill out. First things first, you'll need to enter a name for your calendar. Choose something that clearly defines its purpose like work projects or family events to make it easily recognizable. Next, in the description box, you can add more details about the calendar's purpose or any specific notes you want to remember. Adding a concise description helps to keep things organized and prevents any confusion later on. You'll also be asked to set the time zone for your calendar. This is especially crucial if you're coordinating across different regions. Be sure to choose the correct time zone to prevent any scheduling mishaps. With all the fields filled out neatly, it's time for the final step in this creation process. Click on Create Calendar. This action confirms your choices and generates the new calendar based on the information provided. It's that simple. With your new calendar created, it will automatically appear under the My Calendars section on the left-hand side. This makes it easy to manage and access alongside your existing calendars. And there you have it, a brand